Welcome. Yeah, so Mr. Roshan, this Mr. Shahzad is with us, our Triple C and Vendor Code Management Consultant. So,
Okay.
Hi, Roshan, how are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. What do you?
So over to you guys.
Hello?
I'm just a silent listener. Okay. So you can clarify all your points.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Tell
Mr.
me.
Roshan. Yes, Mr. Roshan, you have
No,
some questions or something. Could you please tell me what is your question?
no. Actually, see, how long it will take for this certification?
Actually, this will depend on both parties, for your side and from our side, because client, we have some needs, some requirement, documents required, signatures required, some email policies required. So that is depend on your side. As much time you will take, it will depend on our projects. And basically, if you fulfill all requirements, then it will complete within 15 days, inshallah.
Now, see, I think you know that we have the vendor ID. We are regularly supplying this Aramco. We are not using
Okay.
the portal.
Okay.
That's the scenario now. Now is that is the thing. That means I need to update the all things as per the condition.
So you already have vendor number with you.
Yeah, I have the vendor number.
So this only needed triple C certificate only for you. Just upload your triple C certificate with your audit report. Then they will activate your old vendor and vendor number
Audit for a what? Audit report for?
for the cybersecurity. Actually, they compulsory required for that one. When you activate or when you go for the new vendor, when you have old vendor or you struck, they will disconnect your vendor, anything, any possibility. Then they will make it must compulsory required first cybersecurity certificate and their audit report. After that, when you uploaded that report in your SAP Arabia, then they will
Is
give
the
you
audit report
yes,
and other things you are making that all things, right?
yeah, I will make it that one because I will make it with your calibration with, because some documents are there, policies are there. You have to sign. Your three employees will be signed. I mean, after that,
See,
your
uh, actually, I tell
yes,
you. See, now
yes.
we have using our vendor ID, vendor code is already active in the Aramco system. Okay, there is some
Okay.
small changes is there. Before is we have in the establishment. Now is in the company. Only the establishment change the company only. The CR number, everything is there. Same, exactly same. Only the establishment EST change for a CO. Okay, that's a small changes we already did.
So it's mean you need it only cybersecurity because they
Yeah,
believe
cyber security,
cybersecurity.
as well as, sorry, just a minute. Cyber security as well as the mother system, we need to change the name also. The only CO we need to add it instead of establishment.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying to you. When you require for the cybersecurity, they will ask your complete name and CR everything. But you already have vendor with your CR number. So
Exactly.
I think that will be acceptable. But anyhow, I will ask our vendor team. So about that one, that's okay. But cybersecurity, first we have to finish the cybersecurity. Then you upload it. If they required that one, then you can do go ahead for that.
Sorry for interruption, Mr. Shehzad. Actually, the moment they would upload audit report for Triple C, including certificate and all, then while updating all the documentation, whatever name, the new name they want within that same system, it will be required the relevant document. And the moment you'll upload, along with Triple C, automatically Aramco will accept it. Only issue is there is a conflict because they want from establishment to company. So that means now we need to upload company documentation, like the CEO or the new, whatever the organizational hierarchy is there. So that all requirements are already available in the system actually. But without Triple C, nothing is being accepted.
Without, your first thing is that your Triple C. They will not ask anything before that one. if you go for cybersecurity, if you go for the vendor, anything for the Aramco, they will first they will ask
Actually,
to you, where is the CCC certificate for?
just a minute. I will ask one thing. First of all, the matter for first is the company name. First company name change, then only it will for the portal and other certification. Normally it mean coming like that, or hello?
Hey,
Hello?
Mr. Roshan, can you hear me?
Hello. What I asking? The first of all the name, First of all the name. If you don't change the name, the old cyber security, whatever the things are coming, the name with the old name, First,
No,
I think it's the first procedure we need to do the name changes. Name matlab only establishment change to company. That's what's the requirement documents you required, just inform. That is, I think, is the first step. I think so.
Mr. Roshan, first of all, for the triple C, we will submit it CR, VAT registration, national address. We will submit it that thing, and we engage the audit firm. They will assign that your exact name, and they will make our audit and everything. When they finalize it that one, then they will send one email for the cross checking your complete company name, exact company name, your CR number, and your VAT number. Sorry, for your national address. They will cross check, verify these things, and they will mention on your certificate that things. Then we can go ahead for the vendor ID. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Mr. Roshan, can you hear us? Mr. Shahzad, do you have number of Mr. Roshan, the mobile number?
You can hear me?
Let me check it for that one. Let me ask to him by phone.
Oh,
Mr. Roshan, it's possible I'll call you on your cell number.
Oh yeah, sure. No problem.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Ishtaq bhai, let me call to him, and I will explain to everything.
okay.
Then I will update to you also.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Take care of your guys.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank
No
you.
problem. Okay, then thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So, hi guys. I hope you would have learned some of the requirements of cybersecurity certification of Saudi Aramco. So, along with the Saudi Aramco vendor code, if any company is looking for vendor code, especially to work with Saudi Aramco within Saudi Aramco network even. So these are some of the registration requirements, but bear in mind, these are requirements which surely you have to get legally from Saudi government, and some of the Aramco direct requirements are there. Let me explain one by one. Surely you have to have a CR copy of your company, like company registration, either it's an establishment or company. You have to be carefully choose that your CR belongs to establishment or is kind of a company. So your CR copy validated, valid CR copy must be there. Second document you need industrial license, like but if you are a manufacturer, otherwise a SAGIA certification if applicable. If you are like a direct investor and opening your company under Saudi government leadership, then of course you need SAGIA or SAGIA certification. A valid copy of Zakat certificate. Also, you need your VAT certification, value added tax, a copy of your GOSI, like General Organization for Social Insurance, and also civil defense license, along with chamber membership, as well as government classifications if it's service providers only. Now, Saudi Aramco requirements are very straightforward. You have to have like supplies code of conduct to be signed, acknowledged, a letter from the bank which company is dealing, state the type of service that the bank normally provides to your company, and relationships with a valid company ownership profile. Small and medium enterprise, like if these kind of or any additional government regulation, Saudization or whatever. But bear in mind, these all documentation will not be accepted if you don't have cybersecurity certificate. You cannot get Aramco vendor code until you have cybersecurity certificate. For this one, you can contact me anytime and I will help you, inshallah, to get cybersecurity certificate very smoothly within a couple of weeks. And then you guys are good to go for getting Aramco vendor ID. And without Aramco vendor ID, of course, it would be really hard to work within Aramco network, which is a huge network, of course. Aramco is operating in more than 40 plus countries, one of the richest, biggest oil and gas company in the world. So yes, there are opportunities. After that, if you get our help to create a SMS safety management system like pre-qualification, and then that system is also very much updated, implemented. All the evidences are available. And Aramco, after auditing your system, if they're happy with you, you would get approval to go for direct bidding actually. And that would be the era of your great opportunities, business opportunities for your company. Either you're a manufacturer or you are a supplier. So all the best. If you need Aramco vendor ID, contact me directly. My email ID is there. Come officially or WhatsApp. You can note down 0096659890339. You can WhatsApp me or email ishtiaq.rana@best-intl.org. We are here to help you to get cybersecurity certification as well as Aramco vendor ID. Apart from that, we will help you to establish your safety management system as per Saudi Aramco guidelines and requirements, and your company will be fully authorized to go for bidding for Aramco projects. And this is how you move on with your straightforward dreams to be successful, especially in Saudi Arabia, especially with Saudi Aramco. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. For any query and question, feel free to contact. I hope this video will be very much helpful. Thank you very much.